will with no verbal instruction. These highly disciplined men and women sacrifice professional steps associated with the University of Southeastern Philippines Corps of Cadets. Headed by the company commander, Cadet Major Doroban J. Calamba, together with his staff. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome the Silent Drill Company of Yusuf ROTC Unit School Year 2010-2011. These young men and women prepare and sacrifice in order for them to perform, rain or shine, this prestigious performance which has been made especially for you.
Commanding Commander personalized the company to prepare for their performance.
Anak pun may
Trabaho dyan dito.
Yuyo pa ito mo.
Yung gida dito mo.
Ay, katama pa kayo. Anak, medyo na. Basta ito.
Narap
tayo magtapos. Anak, doon akong trabaho ko. Sabi?
Wah.
Yan, dyan.
May bakon. Dito bakon dyan.
Away, dyan.
Ako din.
Pag mapiyo ka mong batkord ng inano kay katawan na.
Ako sa or
Now the company commanders give his final command for the company to commence the silent drill presentation.
there are two sides to the life of every cadet. Each side represents two distinct colors, the dark and the light. As we adapt the professional art, we consider our free will to a law of perpetual constraint. To live in the world of numbers and commands. We write, march, land, endure bad weather, go without sleep or food, be separated from our families to dissipate our normal life. As the execution changing of colors represents the abrupt change of our life from being the smallest maggot of the universe to a person of authority and responsibility, from dark to light. All of us experience and witness the ups and downs of life, failures, tears of our fellow officers. But because of this, we remain strong and firm in the midst of struggles. Indeed, it is not an easy thing to be one of us. We are the strong soldiers with a proud tradition.
Cadets are often seen serious and unsmiling. We don't need people to know what behind the stone curtain is a cheerful person longing to connect with others. To share a smile and start a conversation with everyone. A simple smile and a casual hello. There is a value created by an intimidating uniform between us cadets and the people we serve. We don't let the chance of knowing others pass us by. This only shows that the cadets are filled with humanity and sincerity. Watch as the drillers form the letters H and I. Hi. Welcome to the 22nd presentation of Escort and Sponsors.
The headquarters of the University of Southeastern Philippines ROTC unit aims to continue to the tradition of being the finest research force of the unit. Its annual presentation of sponsors and efforts is a clear manifestation of the discipline and character of our cadets and cadets under the strong banner of the Reserve Officer Training Corps. For the past years, the school has been given the privilege to mold students who show interest in becoming persons for others. Before, we were just ordinary students, but because of our great determination, willingness, and aspiration, we transform ourselves to be the men and women of character, discipline, and excellence.
Magbuba na ka ng tatagboy, baka init siya. Wala, nasa wala. Ay, bro. Believe it, you don't go first. Relax.
The Philippine Army Reserve Command exerts best effort to give the finest training that the command can do to the students who enrolled in Reserve Officer Training Corps in order to realize the mission and vision of making the ROTC cadets highly developed, organized, trained, equipped, and administered into the Army Reservists who are responsive, capable, and ready mobilized reserve force as an integral component of the Army in the defense of the state in case of emergency, and to participate and contribute in the economic developmental efforts of the government.
Gusto naman natin.
Larong ito, okay.
ROTC na tayo, ROTC.
Our honor is our life. Take our honor, and you take on our life. The honor code distinguishes us from the others. The four tenets are the pillars of our ideals and values that each of us treasure. We, the cadets, do not lie, cheat, nor tolerate among us those who do. These values will forever be engraved in our hearts, a teaching that we learned through days of hardship and training.
Little by little, our impurities are removed and replaced by values needed to be the future leaders of our culture. Arrows are symbolic of the ability to drive in a specific direction. It represents weakness, guilt, and the ability to fly to the heart of the man. So the cadets must have to be their target, an obligation for the country and services. It will be in every cadet's heart, just like an arrow shot from a bow. The cadets are formed and polished to be the best they can be, performed their reach from this university.
Pwede na siya makabumbak dyan doon. Ulang na dyan. Bukod na rin.